This is the Nutricentials Imbalance pH Balance Toner. This is one of my favorite steps in my skincare routine. It's a lightweight, refreshing toner made with bioactive botanical extracts, which help the skin stay in balance and looking healthy throughout the day. I like to use it right after cleansing or after removing my makeup because it helps bring my skin back to a comfortable pH while leaving a feeling clean, soft, and ready for the rest of my routine. One of the things I notice is how smooth my skin feels after applying and how it helps refine the appearance of pores without drying my skin out. The texture is super light, almost like water, so it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave any sticky or heavy finish. If you're looking for a simple toner that fits easily into your morning routine, this new skin balance toner is a great option.